As you guys know, I don't have a toilet in here, and it has been my biggest regret of the van build so far. I don't know why I had this perception that it was going to be such a breeze to go to the restroom outside, and it is a lot of times, sometimes, but sometimes you're at a campsite where it's super busy, and also in cities it's just a nightmare, and I've really felt the need to get a toilet. So I did, thanks to somebody who donated this to me. This is a Nature's Head composting toilet, and it's literally $1,100. So it was just out of my budget for so long. I talked about it in one of my videos, and somebody who follows me was kind enough to donate me the money to get a toilet. I've been so excited about this upgrade. Like, it is going to change my life. Ah! The thing about this toilet is it is absolutely massive. So I was looking at my van build and trying to figure out like what a good place for it would be, and the first thought I had was underneath my sink, but no way. This toilet is way too big. So I'm going to have to build a whole construction, and it's really going to change the layout of my van, but I'm actually really excited for this change, and I have a pretty good idea of how to do it. So we have the top compartment. It has this lever that you can move, and it opens up a little hole. That's for number 2. And then there's this front section, which has 2 holes where the pee goes, and oh, it goes right here. It is day 2 of the van build. I think this camera's crooked. Let me... So I finished building this box around the bottom. Now I have to do a box around the top, and I'm gonna put a cushion on that. But we also have to ventilate the toilet with this. So we have to drill in the floor of the van out the bottom. So that's kind of scary. So that might actually be the next step.
Want you close to me, close to me, close to me, oh close to me.
I am currently sitting on my new toilet seat. I have spent over a week building this seat, and it has been such an exciting project for me. I have gone 3 years without using a proper toilet, so what I have done instead is I have a big shovel and I go into the forest or nature and I dig a 6-inch cat hole, and I go number 2 in that, and I usually put my toilet paper, a very lightweight toilet paper, in that hole and then cover it up and put a big rock on top of it. And then I also have a pee cup in here so that if I need to go to the restroom, but it's not a very good place to do that, I can pee in here in that cup. But it's not that glamorous. I don't know why I was so reluctant to getting a toilet in here. I just thought that I wouldn't have the space and it wouldn't be that big of a deal to not have a toilet. But as the years have gone by, I have realized that I'm really missing the luxury of a proper toilet. There are just some areas that it's not as practical to go to the restroom outdoors. That may be a nature spot that's very busy, or it may be somewhere like a city when I'm stealth camping. The last few days I've also cleaned the van, so it looks so nice and organized and just ready to hit the road. We're gonna be going to Colorado and I'm caravanning with a few friends, which I'm really excited about. I have a new basil plant that I'm trying to, you know, have flourish in here, and then I have my pothos, which are looking really good. I actually got the van washed and waxed. It was $80, so it's very expensive. And then I just stocked my fridge and everything full of food. So yeah, I'm pretty ready to hit the road, and I have a toilet, so that's really exciting. Now I am going to make juice, and I'm also going to package up a thank you note and one of the crystals that I've mined myself in Arizona called a Payson diamond or a quartz crystal, and I'm going to ship that out to the person who donated to me to get this toilet. Like I said, it was just such a generous thing to do, and I don't even know how to repay that in any way. But I feel like I should show some small token of my thanks, so I'm going to do that right now.
You are my favorite book on a rainy day. You are the place that takes my chill away. You are my happy thought, and I've forgotten how to fly. You are my rainbow in a cloudy sky.
This is my favorite juice recipe. It's 1 pineapple, 3 lemons, and 3 yellow bell peppers, as well as ginger. It is so good. I'm gonna save the rest of this in the fridge though for our road trip.
Okay. Feels like you're going like 40 miles per hour when you're back there. Really quick right! Avoid the banana peel!
Oh, we got a love so good that most of the world couldn't dream of. I could give you a field of flowers in full bloom.
Okay, we are an hour into our road trip and we need to use the restroom, so let's do it. Okay, we put a yoga mat here, so I'm just gonna move that out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Turn the camera off.
Well, that was amazing. It just felt like a normal toilet.
That was the best experience I've ever had on a toilet. Maybe it's all the labor I put into building it, but oh my gosh, it was so great.
It's so exciting.
I just can't believe that I don't have to like empty a pee jug right now. I know I'm gonna have to empty that big jug, but thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Dave. You're the best.
We have 7 hours to Colorado and we're driving with Maddie, Madison, and Ellie. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I'm so excited about the new toilet. I'm so excited for the Colorado adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please like, because it really supports my channel. And my next video will be us in Colorado, which we're so excited about.
So excited.